Welcome to EveryPhotoPro. Today we're going to be visiting Ault Park in Cincinnati, Ohio. One of the reasons why I like coming over here generally is to do birding. This is one of those age-old parks that's been around for a very long time, and so it has a nice historic feel that goes to it. But this particular time, there's a very short season for you to enjoy cherry blossoms. And so one of the things that I'm going to go visit is one of the cherry groves that they have over here to see said cherry blossoms. I also wanted you to see some of the really quick features that makes this one of the most beautiful little parks to come and visit when you get a chance. There's something incredibly beautiful about cherry blossoms. The fact is that you only have mere weeks to be able to enjoy them. And then honestly, they're gone. And then the budding green will basically take over. So to come to a place like Ault Park, to be able to see that rare experience, it's definitely what makes it one of the gems of Cincinnati.